Power, reliability, and safety, are these just words? I know they're Duracell's promise, but let's take a deep dive into these button batteries and see if they really live up to that. These little powerhouse button batteries pack a punch, but before we get into my experience, let me tell you the 3 most common questions that I saw on the internet and the answers for those. Number 1 was, what devices are these compatible with? Now that's a little bit of an odd question if you ask me, but they're going to be compatible with anything that takes this 2032 battery. That normally includes things like AirTags, watches, some medical devices, your remote control. Almost all of those will take these, and these will be compatible with all of them. Another common question is, how long do they last? Now they are supposed to have a 10-year shelf life, but how long the battery's actually going to last absolutely depends upon what you're using it in and how much power it's draining, right? If you're using a little remote control, that's not going to use a whole lot of power. If you're using some watch that's got GPS running and all that kind of stuff, it's going to be much shorter. After question 3, I'm going to share you my own personal experience, and it's really kind of important. The final one, which is a common one, is, are they really child safe? And I hate that word. It's very relative. Couple things I can tell you: they made the packaging much more difficult to get into the batteries themselves. And then I have done it. I put it in my mouth because I wanted to see what this bitter coating was like, and it is really terrible. Nobody's going to choose to put this in their mouth and keep it there. But beyond that, I can't speak to whether they're safe or not. I can only tell you they definitely taste like crap. Let's quickly talk about my experience, and that's what I'm going to share with you, which is I've gone through stages, right? I went through the stage where I was buying all the cheap no-name brands on Amazon and just driving through tons of them, and then honestly I got tired of that. I got tired of it. I got tired of changing batteries, and I decided to go back to a really quality name brand, and it is night and day difference. The amount of time that these last is so much longer than those junky no-name ones. Now those no-name brands definitely work for some period of time, but if you want a reliable source of power that you don't have to change the battery all the time on, this is definitely the way to go. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.